Is it 2 rounds?
It's not so much rounds as we're just rotating through the people who are challenging him. So what he's doing is essentially displaying his skill at the arms with the various combinations. Each progressive level within the guild they're actually testing out for different things. At this level, he's starting to teach and take students on.
I thought it would be great to come up and join them in the party. So, that's what caused me to make the trip.